Nightingale Private Duty Nursing offers home health services to the residents of Indian River and St. Lucie counties. We provide nurses, physical therapists, home health aides, in-home companions, and 24-hour live-in care. Our services are provided on a per diem basis, meaning you may use us for one day or daily, 7 days a week, for as long as you need. We are a licensed nursing agency, and all of our employees are insured. We have over 10 years of experience, so call today. Nightingale Private Duty Nursing, 772-778-0159.